Good morning, children. Today, let's discuss India relief features. What is time zone? We have studied in earlier standard that each country has its own time zone. The time in India is not same as United States. If it's 12 p.m. in India, then the time in USA will be 2:30 a.m. Time zone of India. For India, the central longitude 82 degrees to 30 minutes east is taken as standard meridian, which passes near Allahabad. This is the reference for Indian Standard Time. It is 5.5 hours ahead of Greenwich Mean Time. Geological background. World landforms originated from two giant lands, namely Angara land, Laurasia, and Gondwana land. The Indian peninsula was part of Gondwana land. Over 200 million years ago, Gondwana land split into pieces. Due to the collision and immense compression force, mountains evolved through a folding process over millions of years. The present form of the Himalayas is a result of this process. Present day. Major relief features of India. First one is the Himalayas, the Indo-Gangetic Plain, the Peninsular Plateau, the coastal plains, desert, the islands. The Himalayas. The Himalayan mountains form the northern mountain region of India. They are the highest mountain ranges in the world. These ranges are separated with the deep valleys and extensive plateaus. These mountain ranges start from Pamir Mountains, Tajikistan in the west and extend up to Purvanchal in the east. These are formed by tectonic forces. They are 2,400 km in length. Prominent features highest peaks, deep valleys, and gorges, glaciers, etc. These ranges are separated with deep valleys and extensive plateaus. The Himalayas comprise three parallel ranges. First one is Greater Himalayas or Himadri, Lesser Himalayas, Shivaliks. Greater Himalayas. The northernmost range is known as Greater Himalayas or Himadri. It contains the highest peaks with an average elevation of about 6,100 meters above mean sea level. They are composed of snow and ice cover. We can find glaciers here. The seasonal cycles of accumulation of ice, movement and melting of glaciers are the sources of the perennial rivers. Lesser Himalayas. The ranges found to the south of the Greater Himalayas is called Lesser Himalayas. These ranges are mainly composed of highly compressed rocks. The height ranges from 3,700 to 4,500 meters. The important ranges of this region are the Purpanjal and Mahabharata ranges. The famous valley of Kashmir Kangra and Kulu in Himachal Pradesh are in the region of Lesser Himalayas. Many hill stations like Shimla, Mussoorie, Nainital, Rainiket, etc. are covered by evergreen forest. Now Shivalik. The southernmost range of the Himalayas are the Shivaliks, width of 10 to 50 kilometers. Altitude varying between 900 and 1100 meters. Example of Shivaliks: Jammu region, Jammu Hills. Arunachal Pradesh, Mishmi Hills, Assam, Kachar Hills. These parts consist of thick gravelline alluvium. Dun. The valleys lying between the Lesser Himalaya and Shivalik ranges are called as duns. Dehradun, Kotli Dun and Patli Dun are some of the prominent duns. Purvanchal. The easternmost boundary of the Himalayas is the Brahmaputra Valley. In Arunachal Pradesh, beyond the Dihang Valley, the Himalayas take hairpin bend to the south and act as the eastern boundary of India and run through the northeastern states. These divisions are known as Purvanchal. Regionally, the Purvanchal are known as Patkai Hills, the Naga Hills, Manipuri Hills, Ghazi and Mizo Hills, mostly composed of sedimentary sandstones. Influence of Himalayas on Indian climate. The formation of the Himalayas influences India's climate in various ways. These act as barriers protecting the plains of India from the cold winds of Central Asia during severe. Himalayas are the reason for summer rains and monsoon type of climate in regions that are beyond the western Ghats of India. In its absence, this region would have remained drier. The Himalayan rivers have a perennial flow since these are fed by the glaciers and bring a lot of silt, making these plains very fertile. Thank you, children.